We want to get you right up to speed with the latest on the spread of the coronavirus. Illinois now has 105 confirmed cases. No deaths are reported. Indiana did, however, report its first death, a person right near Indianapolis. That state has 24 confirmed cases.
And the Illinois Secretary of State says all driver service centers are closed for the rest of the month. And the White House issues new guidelines suggesting no gatherings of 10 people or more. This comes as Illinois and other states head to primary elections, and schools across Illinois begin their first day of closures.
And our team coverage on the coronavirus pandemic begins right now. Sandra Torres is joining us in a moment to discuss help for parents and students during the school shutdown. But we're starting with Susan Carlson and the election day impact. Susan.
Well, Zoraida, the big question today is what will the turnout be? We already know we are heading into primary day with a huge shortfall of election judges. So much so that it has even changed some polling locations. In Chicago alone, they are still short by thousands.
If you are healthy and capable and find your precinct to be understaffed and overburdened, you are welcome and encouraged to offer to be sworn in as a substitute judge.
The Chicago Board of Elections has issued an urgent request on its website. In the suburbs, it's the same problem. DuPage and Will counties are asking people who are willing to come into the clerk's office this morning and be sworn in on the spot. Instead of electioneering and the usual verbiage, this year we're talking about hand sanitizer and how to practice social distancing at the polls. The governor has ordered a limit in public gatherings to 50 people, and we're advised to keep 6 feet distance from others. So this primary poses an unprecedented challenge for workers.
We are under orders to conduct an election. End of story, period.
And we have already noticed a complaint on social media from somebody who says they're working at a polling place, an election worker, volunteer, saying that they do not have enough hand sanitizers or disinfectant to wipe down the polls. This definitely will be one for the record books.